second lecture of this chapter. My dear student, in the previous lecture we got information about the background of the First World War, and we discussed about the First World War and its impact on the world. And afterwards we got information about the League of Nations also. In today's lecture we are going to get information about the Second World War, and we will get information about the participant countries also, and how the Second World War came to end, and afterwards what happened all over the world. Just like we heard about the Cold War, then we will discuss about the Cold War also, and after that impacts of Cold War on the world. So we will start the lecture. My dear student, first of all we will start from the Second World War. Just like we all know that Second World War was started after the First World War in the year of 1939. 1939 to 1945 means from 1939 to 1945, about 6 years this Second World War was continued. And my dear student, you can see that this Second World War was more destructive than the First World War, because in the Second World War the countries were trying to take the revenge of their defeat, and another thing, used vast destructive weapons in this war. So my dear student, we can imagine how worst that World War was and how worst impacts were there on the world of the Second World War. My dear student, those countries who were participating in the Second World War, they faced worst economic crisis, because due to the war their financial condition collapsed and lots of people were killed in the war. That's why economy of the world again fall down, and these countries, not only these countries were affected, but also rest of the world was also affected due to the Second World War. That's why, my dear student, Second World War is considered as the most destructive war in the world. My dear student, we always see that war is not a solution to solve any kind of problem. For that, after the First World War, League of Nations was set up, but this League of Nations was not successful to maintain the peace all over the world, and this Second World War took place. So we will discuss about the two rivalry groups which were participated in the Second World War. Just like First World War, here was also same group that was known as Allied Powers, and another was Axis Power. Axis Power. In the Allied Power, we can see that the participant countries were there: Britain, France, Australia, Canada, then New Zealand, then India. Actually, India was not directly participated in the First World War. We all know that our India got independence after the Second World War in the year of 1947, and here Second World War ended in 1945. Keep in mind the difference. So Britishers ruling the nation, that's why they announced that India is participating with the Britain against Axis powers in the World War. That's why India was participating in this war. Then Soviet Union, and then China, and at last America joined this war. My dear student, again here was another group that is known as the Axis powers, and the major dominant country was the Germany, because Germany was under the rule of Hitler. Hitler raised know that there were two groups. Number one was Allied power, number two was Axis powers. Here England, France and Russia. You can see that Britain means England, France and Soviet Union means Russia. These two countries are common in the Allied powers because these three countries made the Triple Alliance for securing the power over the world and to protect themselves from enemies. So due to their Triple Alliance treaty, they are common in both wars in the Allied power. Then remaining here Germany. Germany is due to the rule of Hitler, Germany took aggressive initiative in the Second World War. So my dear student, here were these two different groups which were participated in the Second World War. Now we will get information about how this Second World War became more destructive. During this period, there was a country which was most powerful, and that was one and only none other than America. Yes, America played a major role in this Second World War, and America was more powerful on that time. America utilized more and more nuclear weapons, and these nuclear weapons were most destructive. War was started in the year of 1939, and at last America joined this war in the side of Allied countries, and before that Germany was fighting against Britain, France and Russia and these countries. Germany utilized most destructive weapons, and submarines were mostly used by Germany. Russia gave heed to the Germany to stop the uses of submarine, but German army did not stop that, and one day German army attacked a ship, and which was of America, means that ship was of the Britain, but in that ship more than 100 passengers were traveling who were Americans, and they were killed in that attack. That's why America got angry, and to take the revenge of this incident, another one, Japan attacked on the Pearl Harbor of America's ports. That's why America again got angry, and to teach the lesson to the Japan, America bombed on the two major cities of Japan. Those were Hiroshima and another was Nagasaki. Hiroshima and Nagasaki were attacked by the atomic power of American forces on 6th August 1945 and 9th August 1945. On 6th August, Hiroshima was targeted, and 9th August 1945, Nagasaki was targeted, and due to this atomic attack on the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the economical condition, social condition of the Japan and rest of the countries was declining, and with the incident of this nuclear attack, those two bombs were called Little Boy and Fat Man. Due to this effect and powerful attack, the Axis powers got the victory over the Allied power got the victory over the Axis powers, and my dear student, it resulted into the end of Second World War. Then the story did not end here. After that, we all know that America became the most powerful country, and another powerful competitor was there to the America, and that was Russia. Then these powerful countries become the rival groups of each other, being unsuccessful to stop the activities of America and Russia. Actually, there was not an actual war between the America and Russia, but there was the condition which seems and appears like a war. Means the war-like condition between America and Russia is considered as the Cold War. My dear student, this Cold War continued till to the 40 to 45 years. Means after the 1945 plus 45, that Cold War ended in 1990. So it took 45 years to complete. And my dear student, both countries were the allied countries. Just like America was also from the allied and a competitor country. Russia was also from the allied group, but both became the rival group of each other. Another thing, the cooperation converted into the rivalry, means they not remain friends of each other, they became the competitor. About which things? About the several things, just like we can say that power. America wanted to establish its power all over the world. America accepted the democratic principles, and Russia wanted to spread the socialism all over the world. Social revolution which took place in Russia, and Russia became the powerful. That's why there was a strong struggle between the America and Russia. Not actual struggle, but a struggle for the principle of power. Then arms race was started between two countries. Each and every country was trying to increase their armed power, and there was the difference between their ideologies. Russia's ideology was Marxist ideology, and America's ideology was based on the principle of democracy. Both countries were trying to spread their ideology over the world, and the attitude of checkmating on each other gave the rise to the Cold War. Each country was trying to check and mate on each other, and this kind of attitude converted into the Cold War. So Cold War means there was not an actual war, but condition like the war, which was occurred all over the world, and that is referred as the Cold War in the period of history. So my dear student, in this lecture we got information about the Second World War, which was started in 1939 and ended in 1945, means 6 years that continued. This was the most destructive war than the First World War, because atomic and advanced technological weapons were used in this war, and huge destruction regarding the economic and social and political took place all over the world. The participants were Allied and Axis powers. In Allied, Britain, France, Russia, then Australia, Canada, New Zealand, India and China. In Axis power, there were three: Germany, Japan and Italy. America bombed on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and war ended. My dear student, after the war, United Nations played an important role in playing the